Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Roll it for rubber dub.
Jah Rastafari, live it on the rain, in the heart of everyone. This day, I man shall not live by bread alone, but every word that proceeds out of my mouth, man shall live. Fear not, said the mighty dread Amlakai, Doni, Rastafari, Oh, good and no pleasant it is for us brethren to dwell together in Aina. It's like a sweet stream that's flowing through my heart. It's like the firm tree shall never move. Foolish man live on the sun. Wise man build his house and run. American, give up. Russian, give up. Cause when Jah come, on earth, it shall be terrible amongst the heathen races. Jah Rastafari said, give up and bow before I know and stop the war. War in the east, war in the west, war in the north, war in the south, rumors of war. Oh, good and no pleasant place for us brethren to dwell together in unity. Whether you are Russian, American, German, England, nothing nice like peace, love, and harmony. Free up the people them down in South Africa now. Jah Rastafari say free. What happened to the brethren called Mandinga? Free. Jah Rastafari said so. Foolish man build his house up on the sun, while the wise man build his house up on the rock. Let God arise and let all his enemies and wicked people go in the sight of Jah Rastafari. No. All them missile and all them boomlet shall turn a pagan unto mankind. I and I shall not walk with the proud nor the scoundrel. So ease up your war in the east, ease up your war in the west, ease up your war in the north, ease up your war in the south. Good and no pleasant things for us brethren to dwell together. You know, Jah Rastafari said, ease up, pagan. Too much pagan for earth, a fight over mechanical device